Hey y'all, it's Amy. Today I'm sharing with you another one of my Pearl Dutch-scapes. So this is where I do a pearl pour, then I do a Dutch pour over it and blow it out into the shape of a landscape. Therefore, I've got my Pearl Dutch-scape. So I'm painting my edges here because the paint we use is very thin, and if you paint your edges, it has something to kind of cling to so those pearls don't roll off the side, and also because of the thinness of the paint, you might have a little color show through on the edges. It just really helps for both of those reasons. So I'm going to let you guys watch, listen to the music, and I'll check in with you again at the end. Guys, don't forget that all my recipes and colors are down there in my description box. And while you're down there, hit that thumbs up button for me and subscribe to see more. I do appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm going in here with my little blower, and it's basically just a hose with an attachment on the end that I'm blowing through, kind of like you would a straw. I believe I got that on Etsy some years ago. Straw would work fine too. So I'm just making sure I have a nice edge down there on the bottom. Thank all of y'all for watching today. If you could, go down there and hit that thumbs up button for me, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time down on the canvas.